How to enroll in Citizens Bank Paperless Statements. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. For that, of course, you need to head over to the official bank, which is this one right here. Scroll down this, head over to www.citizensbank.com and you will be finding this interface. Look out for the login option in the top right and access it up. Tap on login button and use your credentials in order to log in into Citizens Bank. Now, once you are logged in using your credentials here, what you need to do next in order to enroll is you may head over to the paperless settings available. After that, you should be finding something like this. You can basically go to the space and go paperless, automatically convert all of your paper statements to paperless. Click on OK and then tap on Go Paperless like this. Once you do so, here it will show you how to navigate to paperless settings. To make any changes, click on OK. Here, and you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. Look out for the menu on the top right once you are in your app. And here you will be finding an option called Profiles and Settings. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding an option called Paperless Settings within Profile and Settings. Go ahead and tap on that option right here. And then you can go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can select one of the accounts for which you would like to go paperless. So you can basically do so and then confirm your choice. And once you do so, tap on Finish. And there you go. That is how you basically go paperless. Get paperless statements on Citizens Bank. You may look out for this demo even in the Citizens Bank website available. So you may follow this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.